Hello boys and girls, a nice day, right? Today I show you one very simple cube. Yeah, what do you think of this one in the center? It looks like one leaf, so we can call it maple leaf cube. Yeah, it's same to the regular cube with 6 colors on it. White color opposite the zero, and blue opposite green, red opposite orange. Yeah, 6 colors on it. Okay, let's have a look on this white side. There's 3 pieces on it, right? 2 pieces. Then corner pieces. The another one look like one leaf in the center, so it is the center piece. Now let me show you the notation. We can rotate up this one, this center piece on the front side, up like so, and down like this. Also, we can rotate up the center piece on the left side or the right side sometimes. Rotate up like that, yes, and down like this. Got it? So let's mix up this cube and try to resolve it. Okay, see you in the next video.